How to get your boss to say yes to video budgets.
Most bosses don't hate video. You know why most executives reject video spending? It's because they see it as a cost and not as an investment. They just don't see the ROI. If you're asking for a budget, stop pitching a video project. Pitch a business solution. You have to speak in the language that executives understand. Executives write checks when they see measurable outcomes. Tie your video idea to a problem and then speak to the results. For example, I had a Fortune 500 client of mine. They had a problem with customer support calls not being resolved in a timely and professional manner. Working with the client, we realized it was a training and a culture issue. We pitched and then executed a series of 60-second explainer videos that cut support calls by a huge percentage and renewed the culture. The project paid for itself fast. So instead of saying, we need a video project, say, we're gonna save $50,000 a year by reducing employee turnover. That is how you get to a yes.